Filing your income tax returns electronically would need your login credentials of the income tax e-filing portal. But if you don't have the login credentials, then you are a little far from your target. You need to first register your PAN to file your ITR. Hello and welcome. I am Namita, a tax expert at Clear. We are India's largest tax and financial services software platform for individuals. Do subscribe to our channel to support us and hit the bell icon to never miss any important finance videos. By the way, I have an exciting announcement for new subscribers. We have a free gift for you. It's a comprehensive guide for income tax returns in India for financial year 2021 that will help you with basic doubts about filing your returns. To claim it, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the form provided in the description below. So let us know the steps to register your PAN in the e-filing portal. Before we start, please note down the basic requirements for availing this service. You should have a valid and active PAN, a valid mobile number, and a valid email ID. Now let's start with the registration. Step 1. Go to the new income tax portal. The website link of the new e-filing portal is www.incometax.gov.in. Step 2. Click on the register button. You can find it at the top right corner of the home page and the following window will open. The taxpayer option is selected by default. Step 3. Enter the PAN of the taxpayer and click on the validate button. Then select yes under the option if you want to register as an individual taxpayer and click on the continue button. Step 4. Provide details such as first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, gender and residential status, and after entering all the necessary details, click on the continue button. Note that the first name, middle name and last name combination is crucial in this step. So here is a quick tip to identify the last name. The fifth character in your PAN number represents the starting letter of your last name. You can verify it in your PAN number too. So was the tip useful? Please comment yes in the comment section below. If the name combination does not match the PAN records, you will receive an error message shown as name entered is not as per PAN. Please retry. In this case, you have to correct the same and click on the continue button. Step 5. Provide the contact information for receiving the OTP. To validate the registration process, you will need to provide the information of mobile number, email ID and postal address details. It is always advisable to provide the taxpayer's contact details. Do not provide the contact details of the child accountant or the tax consultant. Step 6. Upon clicking on the continue button, you will be prompted to enter the OTPs you have received on your mobile number and email ID. Step 7. Once the OTP is validated, you must verify the details you have entered. In case of corrections, you can always go back to the previous screen, make the necessary changes and validate the same with OTPs received. Step 8. Set password and a secure login message. After verifying the data for your account, the password needs to be a combination of lowercase letters, uppercase letters and special characters. Step 9. Click on the register button once you have set the password. You will get the following acknowledgement screen. After registering your PAN in the new e-filing portal, you can log into your account and make tax compliances to the same account. So folks, this is all about how to register your PAN in the new e-filing portal. If you have any questions related to income tax return filing, please comment below. We will reply to it as soon as we can. Further, we are also offering assisted filing services where you can take our experts' help in filing your ITR returns. You can avail of this service through the link given in the description box. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And if you subscribe, make sure to claim your free gift. It's a comprehensive guide for income tax returns in India for financial year 2021 that will help you with basic doubts you may have about filing your returns. Click on the link provided in the description box. Also, do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get an update as and when we upload new videos. Stay tuned for more updates. Take care and goodbye.